Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to fix no views on TikTok video. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. First of all, you go to your TikTok apps. Next, go to your profile icon. After that, tap on this icon. Next, tap on this. Next, select your photo. Tap on next.
আমি শব্দহীন এক অভিমান যার ভাষা কেউ কখনোই বুঝে না। আমি অনুভূতির অতল গহীনে ডুবে থাকা এক নির্বাক নদী। আমি হারিয়ে যাওয়া এক চিঠি যা
After that, tap on everyone. You can see that already. Tap on everyone. Next, tap on content disclosure. Tap on this icon. Tap on your brand. Next, tap on brand content. Tap on save. Tap on all generation contact. Tap on next. After that, tap on more option. Next, tap on post. Hopefully your problem solved successfully.